Hi there. Looks like you've been unfortunate enough to stumble over one of my videos again, but I thought I'd give everyone a look at this little Makita HS7000SP 185mm or 7¼ inch circular saw. I actually bought this one because I had to do some renovation in the house and I misplaced my original saw, which was this Performer cheap piece of rubbish that I bought way back in the 90s from Hardware House, which was around before Bunnings. I think Bunnings bought them out in the long run. When I bought this Performer, it was the Performance, it's called. It was the cheapest circular saw you could buy. It cost me $72. It's always been a pain in the butt, and when I got the chance or the excuse to buy this lovely little Makita, I jumped at it. One of the big things that gets me is that the Makita was only $109, so we're talking about 25 years later, and I've gone from buying something that was actually rubbish to buying something that's a professional product for a very, very small price increase. So this thing's great. I mean, it's a Makita. I've used it for lots of jobs. We had to do some wall paneling. I've had to build some steps. It's some lever there and the guard moves easily. It's got very simple down levers for changing your cutting height, and little screw adjusters for your angles. It has the guide you can put in. Actually, I think it goes from this side, so that you can set it to cut numbers of trims the same size. One thing I really like is that this distance here is exactly 30mm, so when you're measuring up, you just set up a fence 30mm from where you need to be and cut that, and it just works like a charm. Look, I really love this thing. It came, as I said, it was $109 at Bunnings. It came with 2 blades and the Allen key, and that's about it, because that's all you need. It's well balanced, light, fills you with confidence when you use it, and I just think it's a very good saw for what it is. You might have seen that I've recently bought a Milwaukee drill. I didn't have that at the moment. Will I go for the cordless next time? Well, it will depend. If something happens to this Makita, I guess I probably will go to the cordless, but for most of my needs, power is not a problem, and the price at $109 is simply too good to knock back. So anyway, yeah, I think it's a good thing. I'd buy it again. And yeah, thank you.